In this problem, water drains from a tank through a long, smooth tube. Exiting the tube is a free jet. The diameter of the tank is very large, so this distance is very large, and that the height of the water, this value h, remains approximately constant. The Reynolds number of the fluid flowing through the tube is about 3,000, which means it's a transitional flow, and it oscillates between a nice smooth laminar flow and a turbulent flow. So it literally goes back and forth between a laminar and turbulent flow regime. The question now is in regards to how far the free jet will flow outward from the free opening. So it could either go a short distance or it could go a relatively long distance. And the question is, does the distance the fluid flows out from the tube as a free jet, does it vary when the flow transitions between laminar and turbulent flow? And if it does vary, does it go out further if the flow is laminar, or does it go out further if the flow is turbulent? Or if you believe that the fluid flow extends out the same distance regardless of whether the flow is laminar or turbulent, then choose letter C.